Hello guys, good morning. I have a problem with my washing machine. I just want to fix this because my housemate did this. I noticed this when my family came here. Something doesn't work, but I don't know. Now I notice maybe she always doing with there is an error. She don't tell me about the problem. She just continue it. Probably that's what she did with this. Then always continue draining, guys. When I try this, I let my housemate to go home to her house and I will fix this. I said leave the laundry so I could check what is the problem with this Panasonic 8.5. This is a new fully automatic washing machine I bought. Yeah, but I don't know what's wrong with this, but I try this. I make turn off. It's always draining the water continuous. When you run it, still doesn't lock the one. So even you try here, even you try it. I hope you could see it. My washing machine. Here. Just try it, guys. I'm gonna put the water here. It is already unplugged. It's already unplugged and there's no already running the power. So I just try to put a little water here. Look at, I put a little, and I just observe here in the drain. See, always drain. See, guys, it's already off, but it's still draining the water that I put in the tub. So yeah, look at, this is not normal. So yeah, so what I need to do is just observe this in the drain. Maybe something wrong with this drain. There was something locked there, or anything dirty or whatever, or coins. So I just check this and open it, and I just open it and scroll down, and then I will check what is the problem with this. And let's see, because I don't know what is the problem. So I'm gonna remove this, take it out. Just wait, guys, because I can't, and guys, this is so hard. So guys, itatry ko lang to, makakaya ko to, magawaan ko to ng paano pagkukuha ng yung merong nagbabara dito sa kung meron ba, kaya hindi naglalak yung drain niya. So I tried, guys, to fix this, but I hope I could do it. Kunti lang ang problema nito. Yun lang ko, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong problema nito. So I just try and open this. Yeah, okay. Matigas, hindi ko kaya. Matigas. Wala akong malaking, Yun ako yung complete na ano. Guys, hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya guys. Mga ano. Hindi kaya itanggal. Kasi babae lang ako. Hindi ako lalaki sa inyo. Okay lang sa inyo guys. Okay, try already loosen now. Oh gosh, try to loosen now. I'm trying this because it's very expensive. So I like mechanical. Like working like this, guys. Meant handy. I'm a handy woman. I like it. My husband is already very shaking, so I don't let him. He's a man that super nakalak talaga nila, oh. Grabe. Through the, ano talaga, pag-screw down. Tigas. Tigas talaga, guys. Ang lalaki talaga ito. Trabaho ng lalaki. I'm gonna try my own. I have a knowledge, so I love also doing this. Okay, pagkawa ko na. Pipicturean ko muna to, guys, bago yan. Ayan, ko bago ikuan ko, guys, para makikita ko paano sa uli ito. Okay, ano ko na paano ko sa uli ito. Baka magkamali ako sa ano niya, position. Dito na. Okay, ano ko muna, i-set aside ko muna dito, tapos kukunin ko yung paano kaya ito i-release. Yun ang hindi ko alam paano ito kukunin. Ito siya, hindi ko makikita, may spring ba or wala ba. Hindi ko alam, guys, paano pagtanggal ito. dito. Oh. Paano pagtakbo naman? Meron yatang spring dito. Meron siyang spring. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung paano kukunin. Tatanggalin ko alam. Hindi nakukuha ko na hindi siya ano kasi hindi siya bumababa. Tapos hindi ko makuha. Meron bang meron talagang spring. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pagkanda nito. Meron talagang siya. May kumakawit dito. Oh, hindi ko matanggal paano pagkuha. Kumakawit dito. Hirap naman to. Hindi ko maano. Ay nako. Ito ba? Kumakawit dito. Ganun siya. Guys, this is the hardest to put it back. This I just put a spring so that I could run it. This hold it. This is the part. Oh my god, this is easy this, but when you want the spring, you cannot tight it here, connecting here, just so it's hard. So what I did is I hold the spring so that it will be raised. I could raise it the spring. It's hard to go back to return back. This is the hardest stick. Oh my gosh, I don't say anything. Napasok ko na. Ito na lang problema ko, yung lock dito. Yung merong wire ginagawa ko mag-hold. Ito na lang, hindi ko makikita kasi naano ko na, naibalik ko na. Ito lang, hindi ko pa na-tight yung motor niya. I don't know what is this. The connector maybe for the drain. I cannot say what is the part of that, guys. Basta yun lang. Kasi ito ang motor nila eh. Yung connections. Okay. I just turned this for a while because it's make hard for me. I have also another more. Babalik ko muna yung connectors from the drain, guys, na kinuha ko. Dahan-dahan ko muna ito ilalak kasi kailangan ng malaking force mo dito. Pang lalaki talaga itong gawain pero tinatry ko my best, guys, kasi hindi mahirap, palagi na lang tayo magbabayad. Try ko lang. Wala namang kumo kung magta-try tayo para makapag-save ng pera. Hindi ako mekaniko pero ginagawa ko to para lang sana kainis ko malakihan. Babalik ko lang to. Babalik ko lang itong malaking strawberry. Kailangan ito ng malaking pwersa. Pulso mo yun. Kailangan malakas. It's so strong to tight para hindi nagagalaw. Kailangan hindi nagagalaw. Okay, hindi na gumagalaw, guys. Na nakalak na po. Ayan, nakalak na. Hindi na masyadong hindi na nakalak na talaga. So baliktad ko mo lang muna ay ko lang, i-bend ko muna ito. Yeah, i-bend ko muna kasi medyo siya. Medyo hindi ko makakita ng dito. I-twist ko lang to, guys. Mahirap mag-mechanical guy, magbabae. Pero lalaki. Kasi lang to. Ako hindi. Lalaki ako. Hindi ako lalaki. Sana ba yun? Lalong hindi makikita. Hindi pwede. Hindi makikita. Mabuti pa yung ganun na position, guys. Makikita ko ba? Yan sa guys, ilawan ko lang muna. Ayan, hindi ko makikita. So, sandali. Ito muna, guys. Nakalock na ba ito? Lagay na ba ng hole yung spring para malakas ang kapit ng string ng magakas na yata ilan na makikita yung ano niya. Ito oh. Hindi ko makikita. Yan guys oh. Hindi ko nakikita oh. Kung nakalagay na ba ng tama. Ayan. Sandali guys. Hard really this one. The position of this spring here. I cannot return back in the proper hole. So something I cannot let you show this. It's too hard. Guys. So hard. So I hope guys this is working now. It doesn't drain anymore. Hopefully guys, no continuous draining. Oh Lord, I hope get this sucks. And something, a little coins also there. I got it. Hopefully it's done. Hopefully it's not the board. This only there is a blocking in the drain, so it doesn't work the always draining it continuous. So now I try it. It's working. I hope. Yes, guys. I'm already stressful this when I'm doing. It's hard guys. Very hard to do it. This is good for the men. Okay, that's okay. I'm trying my best so I could minimize expenses for the house. So this stupid sometimes we have doesn't check the, I don't know, maybe when she dropped it goes there. I don't know where it goes, the socks. I have no idea. Oh, maybe here, the hole there, drop there, and the hole, the sidings of the tub. I don't know. Then I seen coins, but I did not get it because it's dropped here. Later, I will check it. Okay, need to better to get a technician for me because I want to minimize my expenses, so I do it myself. But it's work anyway. It's work, so at least I have idea if ever gonna be the trouble again, have an error, troubleshooting again. So I know where it is, where I'm gonna go to remove the drain, the clog in the tube. Yes, guys.